Today we have doing a Volkswagen Tiguan 2022. We're going to be changing the air filter. Now, it's very, very simple to do. There is no major things that you need to know. You basically need a T25 driver. And you can use a screwdriver, whatever methodology, and you're just going to basically loosen the screws all around the unit. There's not much to it, and the bit can fall out, which is what just happened to me. And it fell under the car somewhere, but I'm not going to stop doing what I'm doing. Just to retrieve it, I'll retrieve it when I finish doing the job. Like I said, you're basically going to go around and loosen all the screws that are holding it in place. Now, the one that's tricky, the one back on this side, a little difficult to get. I suggest using a 2-inch bit. Anytime you think that the bit might have gotten loosened, I suggest you tighten it again. Now, some people say that you should take off these hoses here. It's really not necessary. As long as you've loosened all the screws, this will lift up. And I missed one. Again, like I said, keep checking your bit, make sure it hasn't loosened. Otherwise it can fall out of your unit. And then just basically lift that up and take out your old one. Not rocket science. Simple, easy to do. Save yourself some money and labor. Now, I've gone 15,000 miles and the filter doesn't seem that bad, but if you look in really carefully in the middle, there's some darkness here. And that's really what you're doing, because the longer you go without changing your air filter, the longer you're going to start reducing your gas mileage. Now, some people like Fran, some people like different brands. I happen to like Mann. Mann's highly rated, been around a long time, and actually, someone told me, and I don't know if it's true, that Mann makes the air filters for Fran. I don't know if that's true or not. Okay, just like I said, take your time, get it in there. Once you've got it nice and even and feel all around, then all you have to do, put the cover back on and just go around each one. I suggest just light tightening each one as you go around. And the reason is if you don't have the air filter quite in there right, you'll actually see it as you're closing it up. And again, like I said, keep checking. Make sure that your bit is tight. Otherwise, you'll see what like it happened to me. The bit fell out. Now, some people say use an extension on here on the bit because it is deep. And you can do that. And like I said, the main thing I like to do is I like to go around light tight, and then tighten it just to the right torque. So that's essentially it. Now the only thing I would recommend doing, and that's what I do for myself, is I put a piece of tape on here and I'm going to write the mileage I changed it at. So and I would also suggest maybe putting it on your Google Calendar, to remind you to change it. The manual says 12,000 miles. I'm changing it to 15. All right, and the reason I changed it to 15 is I just didn't have the time. But if you start getting all the way to 30,000, then you're going to see some performance differences. So I'm putting this blue tape on here, and I'm just going to take a magic marker in a little while, and I'm going to put a marker on here. I'm going to write the mileage so that I remember when it was done. So if we haven't asked you already, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I've got more videos for you to check out, more how-tos and product reviews and all kinds of things on tech. So this is your Grandpa Casey out. Don't forget to, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Check out our t-shirt store. Give us a thank you button to help support the channel. And until next time, this is your Grandpa Casey out. We love you. Don't forget to comment if you like this video. Thanks so much.